Want to create a realistic snacks packet mockup in Photoshop? Let's do it step by step. This is our mockup product image. First, go to the select menu. Click subject to automatically select the product. Press Ctrl plus J to create a separate copy of the product layer. Next, go to File, save a copy and save another PSD file. We will use it later for displacement. Now import your product design. Resize it to fit the packet. Right click on the design layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Next, hold Alt key and click on the layer mask icon to add a black mask. Select the brush tool and gently paint to blend the design naturally with the packaging. Now change the blend mode hard light for a more realistic look. Double click on the layer to open blending option. Go to underlaying layer. Hold Alt key and split the slider to refine the texture blending. Go to Filter, Distort, Displace. Keep the default setting and select your saved PSD file. Your realistic snacks packet mockup is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial.